Welcome to ExcelFluency. Today, we're going to explore the Excel interface step by step, even if you've never opened a workbook before. We'll cover Start Screen and Backstage View, Workbook versus Worksheet, adjusting column widths and row heights with AutoFit, ribbon display options, Quick Access Toolbar, name box and formula bar, worksheet tabs and navigation, scrolling with shortcuts, and the helpful Tell me what you want to do search box. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating Excel's layout and ready to work faster and smarter. Just so you know, all Excel tutorials on this channel are done using Office 365. So what you see here will match what you'll see on your screen if you're using that same version. Let's dive in. Before opening a new workbook, Excel displays the Start screen. Here, you can choose a blank workbook or use templates, and you'll also see recently opened files. When you click the File tab in the ribbon, you enter Backstage View. That's where you manage the workbook itself. You can save, open existing files, print, or change Excel's options from this view. This area acts as your file control center. In Excel, a workbook is the file you save. It can contain one or more worksheets. Each worksheet is a separate tab within the workbook. Think of a workbook like a notebook, and each worksheet like a page in that notebook. You switch between worksheets using the tabs at the bottom. In Excel, the ribbon is the horizontal menu with tabs like Home, Insert, Data, and Formulas. Each tab groups related commands. For example, the Home tab contains formatting tools, clipboard, fonts, alignment, and editing functions. The ribbon groups are designed to streamline your workflow. For instance, under the Insert tab, you'll find everything for charts, tables, pictures, or shapes, all in one place. Sometimes you might want a cleaner view to focus just on the work. The Ribbon Display Options button is in the top right corner of Excel's window. It allows you to choose among displaying the full ribbon with commands, only tabs, or full screen mode. If you prefer a minimal look, hiding commands and viewing only tabs gives more workspace than clicking when you need full options. Up here, just above the ribbon, is the Quick Access Toolbar. It's all about speed. You can add buttons like Save, Undo, or even a macro. Just click the drop-down arrow and choose your favorites. This is the name box. It always shows your active cell, like B2. Type a cell reference here, and Excel jumps you straight to that location. Next to it is the formula bar, where you can view or edit the full content of a cell. It's especially useful for working with longer formulas. At the bottom, Worksheet tabs let you switch sheets or add a new one with the plus button. Right-click a tab to rename or change its color. And on the lower right, View controls let you toggle between Normal, Page Layout, and Page Break Preview. You can also adjust zoom here. To make your data readable, sometimes you'll need to adjust column widths or row heights. You can do this by dragging the boundary between column headers, the letters, or row numbers. For more precise control, go to Home Cells, Format, Column Width or Row Height, and type in a value. Excel also has AutoFit. Double-click the boundary after selecting a column or select several columns and use Format Arrow AutoFit options. This ensures no data is hidden. You can scroll manually, but for faster movement, press Ctrl plus an arrow key to jump across data regions. Want to go directly to E10? Just type it into the name box and hit Enter. That's navigation efficiency. Not sure where a command is? Use the Tell me what you want to do search box. Type in something like Merge Cells or Format Painter, and Excel will guide you straight to the feature. Thank you for watching this ExcelFluency tutorial on Excel Interface Essentials. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what Excel feature you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.